Hello everyone, it's me again, your teacher Ian in Mathematics 7, and welcome to our fourth video lesson for first quarter. And this is called the multiplication and division of integers. Enjoy watching and start learning. At the end of this lesson, you must be able to perform fundamental operations on integer, specifically multiplication and division. Now, let's start. Alex made a withdrawal of 10,000 pesos from his bank account each week for 4 consecutive weeks. How much did he withdraw in all? Let us analyze the word problem by stating the given. We have here a withdrawal of 10,000 pesos. So since nag-withdraw, we're going to use negative sign. And we have here for 4 consecutive weeks. Okay? And the total amount withdrawn. Okay, so we have here 4 times the withdrawal of 10,000 pesos. Okay, so in solving for the product and quotient of integers, we follow the same rules in multiplication and division of whole numbers, but this time we determine the sign of the product or quotient. Positive integers are simply counting or natural numbers. Thus, we multiply and divide positive integers in the same way we multiply and divide natural numbers. How do we multiply integers with unlike signs? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Therefore, yung 4 times 10,000 is equal to 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000 and another 10,000, which is equal to 40,000. In the above or in the previous word problem, no, Alex made a withdrawal of 10,000 pesos a week for 4 weeks. So we are going to multiply 4 times negative 10,000. No? Or shall we say, to find the product of 4 and negative 10,000, we also use repeated addition, no, for this. So we have here 4 times negative 10,000 is the same as negative 10,000 plus negative 10,000 plus negative 10,000 plus negative 10,000. And that gives us negative 40,000. Hence, we could say that the total amount withdrawn was 40,000 pesos, and negative 40,000 is then interpreted as a withdrawal of 40,000. It represents a decrease in the account balance. Now let us have our first example. We have here 4 times negative 3. As I've said just a while ago, that the multiplication is a repeated addition. So we are going to add negative 3 4 times. And negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 12. Therefore, 4 times negative 3 is equal to negative 12. So the multiplication sentences can be written as division sentences. So we have here ang 4 times 3 natin ay 12. So kung baliktarin natin, 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. And 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So the same with this other expression. We have here 4 times negative 3 equals negative 12. And negative 12 divided by negative 3 is equal to positive 4. And negative 12 divided by 4 is equal to negative 3. Now, let us examine the following multiplication. We have here positive 7 times negative 2 is equal to negative 14, and negative 7 times negative 2 is equal to negative 14. So this is the multiplication process, of course. And let us now show the division process. The division process, we have here positive 15 divided by negative 5 is equal to negative 3, and negative 34 divided by positive 17 is equal to negative 2. So we can see that the product of two integers with unlike signs is negative, and the quotient of two integers with unlike signs is negative. So let us examine again the following multiplication. Another na naman dito. Another multiplication. So we have here positive 7 times positive 2 is equal to positive 14, and negative 7 times negative 2 is equal to positive 14. And for the division naman, let us analyze, ha? So we have here positive 16 divided by positive 4, and that is equal to positive 4, of course. And negative 24 divided by negative 6, that is of course equal to positive 4. Take note that the product of two integers with like signs is positive, and the quotient of two integers with like signs is positive. Now let us consider examples with more than two factors. So we have here example number 2 tayo. Okay, so for example number 2, we have here negative 2 times negative 1 times negative 3 times positive 5. Okay, so if we're going to group that one, now let us try to group that one. So we have here, i-group natin si negative 2 times negative 1, and times din natin, i-group din natin si negative 3 at saka si 5. Okay, so we have here negative 2 times negative 1, that is positive 2, and negative 3 times positive 5, that is equal to negative 15. And for the last time, positive 2 times negative 15, that is equal to negative 30. Take note, if we're going to analyze this problem here, or the given factors, the three factors are negative, and it has odd number of negative factors. Again, the three factors are negative, and it has odd number of negative factors. So that is our analysis for number 2A. Now let's proceed to number 2B. We have here negative 2 times negative 1 times negative 3 times negative 5. Now let us try to group them into by twos. So we have here, or into pair, we have here negative 2 times negative 1, and another group negative 3 times negative 5. Now, isa-isay natin, negative 2 times negative 1, that is equal to positive 2, and negative 3 times negative 5, that is equal to positive 15. And positive 2 times positive 15, that is equal to positive 30. Now, if we're going to analyze this example 2B, there are four factors that are negative. It has even number of negative factors. Therefore, we could say that the product of an odd number of negative factors is negative, and the product of an even number of negative factors is positive. Let us always remember that the rules of multiplication and division of integers are like signs give positive sign as a result, and unlike signs give negative sign as a result. And the product of an odd number of negative factors will always be negative, and the product of an even number of negative factors will always be positive. There you have it, my dear grade 7 learners. We are already done with our fourth lesson, which is about the multiplication and division of integers. If you do have more questions and clarifications about this lesson, just don't forget to message me back. Thank you all for watching, and if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updated videos for this channel. And please do not forget to like this video. See you on our next lesson.